from this, select the size of the base plate by considering economic point of view. So required area also we have find it out. So here we have assumed. So here the breadth is calculated, and from here what we have to do is we have to look after the handbook, and from that we need to find out the suitable dimensions. So okay, so the suitable dimensions we'll find it out, and we'll select the best plate size slab base, okay, from the steel table. So minimum thickness of base plate is what? So the base plate length is how much you can see it. So steel book, whatever is there, the plate size is given, so it is given according to L into B into T. So thickness is also very important, right? So minimum thickness of base plate is TS equals to 2.5 W in the bracket a square minus 0.3 b square divided gamma m0 divided by fy, which is greater than thickness of flange. Yeah, it should be greater than the thickness of flange. So TM is this, whatever is seen, thickness flange. This is flange, right? So flange thickness, we need to find it out. It should be more than that. So yeah, so this is a formula. You can see here. Here TF thickness should be the. So therefore TF is equal to thickness of column flange. Okay. This formula is derived by considering provision ratio, that is equal to 0.3, using elastic banding theory. So this formula is derived on the basis of elastic banding theory. So on that basis it is derived. Okay, is equal to 0.3. Okay. Next, gamma m0. Gamma m0 is what? Gamma m0 is 1.1. So now you can see what is A and B here. So what is it? This is a column face to the base edge. It is A. This is dimension, what is A, and this dimension is B. So don't get confused. This is always B. Shortest is B, longest is A. Okay, that is A. Okay. Next, formula is coming like this. So gamma m0 is 1.1. What is W here? W is intensity of pressure. Intensity of pressure formula is PU upon actual area of base plate. Okay. The base plate's area we have done. PU is the load from the column, U into L into B, intensity of pressure. Now section modulus of base plate is what? So base plate section modulus is what? So Z elastic is equal to T square by T square upon 6. Your plastic section, it is T S square 4. So please keep this in mind. T square upon 4. Next, note, you should read note. The thickness of base plate is computed by flexural strength at critical section. So base plate thickness, whatever is there, it is computed by critical section, flexural strength of critical section. So from there we are finding out the thickness of the base plate. Okay. Next, we'll talk about the gusseted base. So slab base is done. Gusseted base we'll talk about. So gusseted base is what? Column is connected to a base plate through gusset. So whatever the column is there, it is directly connected to the base plate. Load is also directly transferred from the column to the base plate. Okay. So in gusset plate, what it happens is the load is coming from the column, and 50% through the gusset plate it is transferred, and 50% through the connection it is transferred. Okay.